Hey bunnies, so for today's Naked Sunday, we're going to be talking about how to get girls. This one is mainly for the girls because I'm pretty sure you guys should already know how to get girls, but if you don't, I hope this video helps. Okay, so before we start, go ahead and grab yourself a drink. Yes, the giant wine glass is back. I am still drinking vodka, soda, and limeade. Tastes so good. Of course, if you have the real lime, go ahead and squeeze that in there, but with the simply limeade, it is so good. This is one of my most asked questions: how to get girls, especially since I made a video about threesomes and I was like, yo, don't have threesomes with your friends or people you work with, and you're like, okay, then who do I do it with? Because you don't want to be like, just pick a random person at the club, but so this is where this video is going: how to find girls, or you can either be with or play with or just incorporate with you and your partner, or whatever it is that you want to do. How to find these girls. I'm gonna give you 3 different ways, which should be more than enough for you. Okay, if it's not, then let me know and then I'll do a continuation video. I should probably bring one of my friends in so that you can get their feedback, and then we'll do a whole back and forth thing. I know you guys love when my friends are here. So my first how to get girls tip: social media. It's 2017 and everybody's on Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook. Even though the last 2 are kind of fading away, but they're still there, they're still popping. People are still hooking up through these sites. Now, when you meet these people, you follow them, like them, you slide in their DMs, or you comment on their pictures, whatever. A lot of them, believe it or not, are single or are open, to different things. There's this app called Kik. It's not as popping as it used to be, as far as I know, because I don't have it anymore. I had it up until I think last month, and I deleted it because I'm not even gonna get into that, but some girl I tried it, but anyways, they have different groups that you can join and actually meet people. Same thing with Facebook. There are groups that you can join and meet people. When it comes to Instagram, there are hashtags that you can follow when you find these single girls who actually want to hang out and have fun. You can get to know on a personal level before you meet them, and get intimate with them. I always recommend getting to know the person a little bit, letting them know your intention, so it doesn't end up where you're in the friend zone and then you're wondering, okay, where do we go from here? So that's my thing. I definitely recommend social media. Again, I've said this multiple times. This is how I met my husband. We met through Twitter. So there you go. That's another platform where you can meet and find new people. Just meet, talk, just have just regular conversations. Don't make it awkward. Don't make it seem like you're trying to that's all you're about. Just be yourself. Can't stress that enough. Be yourself, because after a while the facade is gonna die down and they're gonna see the real you, and you want them to know who you are up front. You want them to get what you're given right away, instead of pretending to be somebody you're not, and then when the real you comes out, they're like, okay, who the fuck is this person? Okay, so that's my first how to get girls tip: social media. My next tip is social networking. Well, social events. Social events. Now, this could be you going to the club, but it's hard to interact with somebody at the club. What I love to the death of me are kickbacks. Kickbacks are these laid back events where you either BYOB or you go and there's already food and drinks and you're surrounded around like-minded people, because more than likely it's a friend who's inviting you, and then you're meeting their other friends, or you're the +1 for their friend, and you're like, yo, if I vibe with you, I must vibe with them, and you get to meet all these people. You can go one side with somebody that you met, that you click with. I love kickbacks. Other social events, sporting events, whatever other regular people do who don't live on the internet, because the only thing I do is go on the internet and go to kickbacks. That's literally my entire life: social media and kickbacks. So if there are other things that you're interested in doing, go out, do that, and meet these girls. All right, I understand that you want this person right away, but you have to think about your safety. Okay, you don't know this person from anywhere. This person can tell you anything. It's all, I like to give a person like a 1 month, at least a 1 month grace period before I decide to get intimate with them. Feel me? At least 1 month, because in the first week they're putting on their best self. By the second week they're slowly, you know, unraveling. By the fourth week you should know them enough to be like, all right, let's see where this goes. Come over. I'm gonna come over, or whatever it is. Most women know from the moment they see you if they want to be with you. So use your feminine wise, use your female intuition to tell if this is the person you want to get to know more of. And then after that 4 weeks has passed, then you guys can go ahead and jump ship, jump over the broom, whatever you want to call it. You go ahead and do that. Of course, this 4 week thing is just my suggestion. You don't have to listen to me at all. You can always go on the first date, second date, do whatever, because it's your body, it's your choice, your life. Do whatever you want to do. This is just like a caution, I guess, if that makes any sense. I would say wait 4 weeks and see where it goes. But if you're like in a hurry, your man, you want to do something with your man, or you know, you just want a girl real quick, then you know what, yeah, whatever, go ahead. But I feel like these low-key social settings are the best place rather than a nightclub. Third and final way to get girls: friend of a friend, mutual friends. If you have a friend and you reach out to that friend and be like, yo, friend, I want a girlfriend. I want to bring a girl into my relationship with my boyfriend or with my girlfriend. I want to have a three-way. I want to do this. That friend might know another friend who is down to do whatever. You feel me? So reach out to your open-minded friends. Reach out to your well-connected friends. Reach out to your friends who know the predicament situation that you're in and is willing to help you out in whichever way they can. Okay? Do not sleep with your friends. Okay? Friend of a friend, no problem. You don't have to see them again ever. If you don't want to see them again ever, like, it's whatever. Unless you all go to the same kickback, then it's kind of awkward. But don't be a douche, okay? Like, don't be that girl. Like, I know with me, if we hook up now, like, I'll be the one who'll pretend like nothing ever happened between us unless we're like by ourselves. So if you can be that cool and that nonchalant, do you, boo. But other than that, like, just live your life and have fun. Like, at the end of the day, it's all about having fun. You don't have to put so much pressure on finding a girl. Okay? If it's supposed to happen, it will happen. Okay, that's just how the world works. If you are meant to find the girl of your dreams, your plaything of the world, or whatever you want to call her, she will come to you when the time is right, when you're ready for it. Whether you're emotionally ready, physically ready, whatever. When you're ready, that person will come into your life. Until then, enjoy the ride. Be you, be chill, go on social media, go to kickbacks with your friends, talk to your friends about what it is that you're trying to do. And easy 1, 2, 3, you have a girl that call you, and boom bam, connect. That's just how it is. Okay? If you have any questions for me, if you feel like I should have mentioned something that I didn't mention, go ahead and leave it in the comment section below. If you want to ask me something that you're too embarrassed to ask, please check the description bar. My email is down there for personal questions. Go ahead and send me an email. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, peace sign and kissy face. Bye.